Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to use direction feature in Elementor WordPress. So you can change column direction for desktop, tablet and mobile layout. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and then you see container. So click on edit container. On left side you see layout, style advanced. In layout you see direction for desktop and then you see row horizontal, column vertical, row reverse, column reverse. Now click on column vertical. Now you see, so you can increase column width or container width now 50% and then you see row reversed. Now you see container is reversed and then you see column reversed for desktop. Now select row horizontal. Now click on desktop and then you see tablet portrait, so click on it. So you can apply these changes for tablet portrait. You see multiple options, column vertical, row reversed, column reversed. Again click on it and then you see mobile portrait, so click on it. Now you see we have container. So now we are going to apply these changes for mobile layout only. Now you see column vertical. Also you see row reversed. So we are going to change column direction, column reverse for mobile layout. Now click on it. Now you see container direction change. Again click on row horizontal. Again you see position change. Again select column reversed. Now you see column position change for mobile layout only and then click on update. So in this way you can use direction feature for desktop, tablet and mobile layout. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.